Howdy, ESSM 406. I hope you had a fun time with your memo in Unit 1, and I appreciate the answers and the feedback that you gave me on the quizzes. Based on some of your feedback, I've decided to make this video, which is how to get the most out of your readings. Some of you have expressed some concern about the readings, and I just wanted to share with you the strategy behind the readings that we are giving you. So we chose readings that would really help you understand the concepts. And one of the things to think about is you don't necessarily have to read every single piece that I'm giving you. The quizzes are not meant to be on some small detail within the paper. It's much more about what the concepts are. So how the class is structured is we have different units, and for each unit, you're going to be working on your same memo and building on that memo. So for each unit, we're going to introduce new concepts to help you understand environmental and natural resource policy. So for instance, in the next unit, we're going to be talking about externalities, public goods, common goods. So one of the strategies you might try is to go and look at Memo 2's grading rubric. You're going to see in there what I think is really important for you to understand for your next memo writing. So when you do your readings, you go through and maybe you make some notes. Okay, these are what I need to know. So I need to understand what externalities are. I need to understand what public goods are, common pool resources. Make some notes for yourself so then when you're reading, you can kind of highlight those things and make sure that you understand those concepts that you can use to include in understanding and making your argument about your policy memo that you're writing iteratively. So reading's just one of those things that we do in life. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to read every single detail, but you read strategically to get the concepts that you need and focus on the ones that really help you understand it. So for the last one, when we had 3 different chapters, they were coming from different angles, right? So different people identified with different chapters. So focus on the readings that really help you understand those concepts that are highlighted in the grading rubric. And I hope that really helps you target and understand how to read for what we need out of this class. That said, good luck, and I look forward to reading memo number 2.